Cooper. Koopy, get it. Where is it?
Don't distract him. He's. Come on, tough guy, get it.
Jump in there, dummy.
It's too easy.
I'm being on the bone now.
No, he still wants that green toy. Sucks having short legs.
Well, maybe I'll figure it out. There, Koopy. Get it down. Get it! Cooper, did you give up? Get a toy!
Get your toy. Come here, Koopy. Watch out. You want to get your toy? Get your toy. Get your toy.
Wiz, you're tall. Get it for him.
Because the edge is...
Jump! What is he doing?
This is too priceless, dude. This has to go on YouTube.
Oh, there's food. But go in the box.
He's trying to.
If he'd be smart, he'd jump on the couch.
Yeah. Like, Wiz is gonna just go bite the thing.
Oh.
Hey, don't fucking go after my toy.
Koopy, get your toy. Hey.
Hold on. I like watching this. Cooper!
Koopy, come and get your toy.
Come get your toy, Koopy. Come on. No, not you, Wiz. Get your toy. Get your toy. Yeah, that's right. Push that right all the way over there. Don't bring him outside and watch him do this. You probably push the thing for blocks.
I just grabbed it. Get in there. There you go. Get it, dum-dum. Get it.
He's like, now it's easy. Fuck that.
Yay. Good boy, Koopy. You got it.